Well, neglected old red last year, got too many projects. Money I could have spent on her. Well, I liquidated all my projects and she's the only one left. So she is already getting her facelift. You can kind of tell. Oh yeah. So I'll work on her this summer when I'm not working. Get her all fixed up, cleaned up, get her running. Got a event I want to take her to, so getting her clean and at least running in the next 2 months, I think, is a big priority for me. They have an antique boat show at the lake that I'm close to, and I'd like to take her on there. But yeah, I'm gonna get her back up and running. She just needs a new carburetor, a few little tune-up things, and she'll be ready to run. Old red. I got a cut and buff. Oh, I got her running last year, but there's some old fuel in the fuel tank, and got back up in that carburetor after rebuilding it, and screwed it up. So I put it up for the summer, and got other projects, and neglected her. So she's gonna get I found where I can order some vinyl. So I'm gonna redo all the interior myself, which I'm probably gonna just get new bucket seats. You can order them. That cushion in the back, I'll probably have to make a few of those. Do stuff like that. And if I don't feel like it, I might take it to the upholstery shop. I would like to do white with some red accents on the marine vinyl, some stripes and stuff. So we'll see. Just bring the red from outside inside, but some new carpet, stuff like that. Dogs are killing each other back there. Eventually I want to put all new gauges in her, new switches and stuff like that. So that $1,500, I could have done a lot with her last summer. So we're gonna get after her. I gotta finish getting my place cleaned up. Man, look at that. That's just a cut and buff. I did it last year too, and then she sat. And yeah, so I'm gonna go over again. It shouldn't be that hard this time. Give her a quick cut and buff, and then a nice good waxing, and then a polish, and she'll be the looker on the lake this year. Guarantee you that. So I got someone that does damn good decal work. I'm probably gonna have to have her make one for the back again, because I left it sit for too long, and then do Old English letters for the license, California license, so it'll all look the same. We got the J.R. Kelly right here. She might get a facelift this year. I don't know. She runs and everything, so it might be a project for next year. But yeah, that's old red. Get her done. I want to get that trailer repainted. That's going to be a fun one, getting the boat off and leaving it at the lake for a few hours. I have to pay someone to sit with it. But this is video 1. Just follow my page, my YouTube page, so you get updates and you can see the transformation. Till then, Old Red out.